Hello everyone, myself Navneet. Today I'm going to explain about the cue card. It is very crucial video for everyone. You should see or watch till the end of the video. So our cue card is describe an activity that you do usually and you think that it is wastage of time. What are the activities, when do you do it, and why it is difficult for you, and ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਨਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਾਓਗੇ? ਅਨਡਨੈਬਲੀ ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਹੈਵਿੰਗ ਅ ਹੈਕਟਿਕ ਸ਼ਡਿਊਲ everyone have to do a lot of activities all around the day. Although numerous type of activities are being done by me, but here I would like to talk about one of the activity which I think that is a wastage of time. It is the activity of traveling, which I do not only in the morning but also in the evening in order to reach to my destination, that is college. So I have to travel by a public transport. I have to do this activity because I do not have another alternative. Actually, I belong to the family who is weak financially and cannot afford the private vehicle. Cannot afford the expenses of the private vehicle ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖਰਚੇ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕ ਸਕਦੇ. So that's why I have to go with the public bus. Actually the direct path and which we imagine and we can reach our destination if we go by the direct path within 20 minutes, but I have to spend 55 minutes because the public bus use the indirect path in order to take all the passengers which are come under a way on the way, ठीक है, going to my college. So it is, I think it is one of the activity which I have to do, but it is totally wastage of time because sometime I cannot get the seat properly, so I have to stand and I cannot do the another work while sitting in the bus. So in this way it is totally wastage of time. It is one of the activity when I waste a lot of time according to myself. So let's start with the follow-ups. First follow-up ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿ how do you balance the work or life? ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? With the help of timetable. I'm a well organized person. I always like to manage everything with the help of timetable. Like I manage my working hours, like study hours, and my personal perspectives, like some of the activities which are done by me personally. I always manage and distribute my time in the way on the purposes. Like in my academics I have to follow the voluminous syllabus, so long hours sitting I have to devote towards my study. But on the other hand I also manage my personal life, like I always indulge in some of the recreational activities which are also crucial in order to stay fit, not only mentally but also physically. And I also like to devote some of my time to my family in this way. So with the help of timetable I manage everything. In this way the balance also can be maintained in my life, both of them. Will you continue doing something when you are aware that it is your wastage of time? Like ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੇਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰੋਗੇ? Yes, in some of the condition where I do not have another choice, another alternatives, I have to go with it, whether it is wasting my time or not. But in some of the situation where I can cope up very easily, so in spite of wasting my time I would like to avoid these type of situations. What kind of things make people pressured? किस तरह ਦੀਆਂ things ने? In the present scenario everyone have hurry and worry life, so that's why they have to suffer from a lot of pressure which they have, not only academically but also personally, professionally, socially and financially, which can be seen in the present scenario. Like if we are talking about the children, children are free from tensions, so therefore they do not have any burden. But if we are talking about the adult teenagers are more conscious and curious. They have a pressure in order to take the admissions in their further study for the best universities so that they can make their future bright. On the other hand adult are more career oriented. They also have a pressure in order to choose the best profession, and most of the adult are more curious and more enthusiastic towards the lucrative jobs. So last not the least, if we are talking about the gray haired people, they have a pressure about their later life and later day of life, how they can survive due to having a physical fragileness which they always have. So that's why they have to face a lot of difficulties. So in these type of pressures can be noticed among the people according to their age groups. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वाई डू सम पीपल रिफ्यूज़ टू अबाइड बाय द रूल्स। क्यों ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਝ ਪੀपल हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਅਵੋਇਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੂਲ ਰੈਗੂਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਸਮ ਪੀਪਲ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਥ੍ਰਿਲ ਟੂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਦ रूल्स, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर मोर इंथुसियास्टिक, दे वॉन्ट्स टू डू समथिंग एक्साइटेबल इन देयर लाइफ, एंड सम ऑफ द पीपल हु आर केयरलेस, दे डू नॉट केयर अबाउट द consequences which can become if they break the rules. So these type of people always like to break the rules and regulations. Let's start with another cue card. The another cue card is describe a skill that was difficult for you to learn. What was the skill when you learned it, how you learned it, why it was difficult for you, and how you felt after learning it. ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕੀਤਾ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ well undeniably a lot of people and in fact everyone have a desire to learn something new. Although I have learned numerous type of skill, but here I would like to talk about one of the skill which was not a my cup of tea in the starting, because it is a skill of swimming. Because actually I had a hydrophobia which has been inculcated when I was in my primary. One team came in my school in order to learn, in order to instruct and teach us about the swimming. So that's why I attended the classes of swimming. In the starting I was so enthusiastic in order to learn about swimming, but day to day my friends progressed in order to learn about swimming, but I didn't progress. So at that time I had some of the problems while breathing, while respiration problems, and after that I came to know that I have some of the problems from asthma when I took the checkup from the doctor. So at that time I refused to learn. But when I was in my when I was in my secondary, at that time I meet one of my another friend who also had the problems like as me, but he was able to swim very well. So at that time I told to my friend how it was possible for you, किमें तेरे लिए ये possible बनिया. So my friend told me that I took the best instructor in order to learn about the swimming. So that's why it became a piece of cake for me to learn about swimming. So at that time I also wanted to know about the instructor more and more, and I told to my parents about the instructor, and we visited to the instructor whom my friend learned about swimming. So I came to know that he is not only instructor but also the doctor of homeopathic. So he guide me in each and every step of for learning the swimming, how we can control our respiration system in spite of having some of the problems in our breathing system. So with the help of great guidelines of my instructor, I able to learn about the swimming. I was over the moon, and I felt very happy when I learnt about this skill. I can't explain about my feeling in the words which I felt at that time when I started to swimming, and when I learned properly to swim. So at that time I realized that we should not lose our heart in the hour of difficulty. We should always find some of the alternative when we do not have other choice, in order to leave our desires, leave our wishes. So we should always focus, and we should just do the practice, because practice makes a man perfect. With the help of practice, swimming became convenient for me in order to learn. So it was one of the time when I wanted to learn something and it was so difficult, but I learnt properly. In this way my phobia for the water has decreased completely. So it was one of the time when I learnt one of the difficult skill. So let's go with the follow-ups ਕੀ ਹੈ? What skill do student need to master? ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਕਿੱਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਬਣਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ? ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੰਸੈਪਟ ਹੈ ਰਾਜੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਡ ਬੈਟਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੰਸੈਪਟ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋਗੇ. ਨਿਊਮਰਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ had better be improved by the students, like first of all, in order to flourish in their academics, like they should nourish their mathematics reading skills, and they should improve their writing skill, their cramming power. They should boost their grasping power by the reading and by using some of the methods like the meditations. Not only this, but also the children should focus on their personal characteristics and traits like cooperation, coordination, dedication had better be learnt by them. ਹੁਣ देखो राजे ਜਿਹੜਾ मैं हैड बैटर यूज़ किया वो अपने को शुद्ध की कंडीशन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ, नीड टू लोड़ है ਤਾਂ ਉਹ सजैशन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ही आ जाती है. सो दैट्स वाई वी शुड गो विद these type of situations in order to paraphrase your answers. If you give the proper answer as it is, like the question which is always asked by the examiner in the exam, you can't boost your score. If you want to get the 8 band score in speaking, you should paraphrasing your questions and you should use some of the naturality portions in your speaking. So next question is it hard for the students to learn a new skill? Well, in the starting it's not a cup of tea for everyone to learn about the new skill. In the starting, learning a new skill is challengeable for everyone, but with the help of practice and hard work, it can become a piece of cake for everyone. It can become more convenient for them because it is widely accepted that hard work is a key to success and practice makes a man perfect. नेक्स्ट अपने को है इज़ इट हार्ड फॉर द ओल्ड पीपल टू लर्निंग अ न्यू स्किल. ये लिए आप एक फ्रेज यूज़ करांगे बच्चे, वो केड़ी होगी अपने को प्रोवर्ब्स अंडरएबली इट इज़ कंसीडर्ड दैट ये कोई शक नहीं है मन्निया जाता है लर्निंग इज़ अ ट्रेजर दैट फॉलो देयर ऑनर एवरीवेयर. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो एज इज़ मैटर इन ऑर्डर टू लर्न द न्यू स्किल. Old people also can learn if they have a great wish and if they have a great enthusiasm in order to learn something new, so they can learn very easily. But due to the psychological fact which cannot be denied that the old people are physically fragile, not only physically but also mentally. So that's why some extent some of the skills where there is a great need in order to pay the proper attention physically, ठीक है, the old people cannot devote properly and cannot continue properly. लास्ट क्वेश्चन रह गया ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ है is a good teacher very important for the students learning experience? Why? Yes, definitely. With the help of experience, the teacher always can understand the students properly. As we know that in the starting of the age, the students are impatient. It is difficult to understand them, but with the help of their life experience, they able to understand and they able how they can handle the students. And some of the students who have a big performances, so if the teacher have a great experience, they can also handle these type of situations by understanding the growth of the candidates and by teaching them with full of patience and full of understanding. So in-depth knowledge had better be have for the teacher towards their children, so that the candidates can flourish in not only academically but also personally. होप करती हैं प्रॉपरली समझ आया होगा. If anyone have any doubt, you can comment on my video related to any cue card, any cross question. I will teach you properly as soon as possible. सब तो पहला तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो प्लीज़, जिहदे नाल तुहानूं डिस्क्रिप्शन दे विच बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोज़ मिलणगियां. ते जिहड़े बच्चे 2-3 बार पेपर क्लीयर कर मतलब पेपर है जिहड़ा दे चुके हैं बट क्लीयर नहीं होया, तो वो वाले स्टूडेंट्स लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक तरह का आपां कह दईए कि गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अगर तुसीं इस तरीके नाल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे पोर्शन दे नाल तुसीं राजे सबनूं फॉलो करके देख लिया एक बार, प्लीज़ बिलीव मी, मैनू फॉलो करके देखो, डेफिनेटली थोड़े स्कोर पक्का बूस्ट होणगे. थैंक यू सो मच.